What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your engine air filter on your 8.6. It's a pretty quick and easy job, and it'll definitely save you a couple bucks from bringing it to the dealer to do it, because it's pretty plain and simple and you may as well do it yourself. So it's pretty easy to start off. You're just going to unhinge these two silver clips on the top, and that will allow you to have access to the filter, which you can just pop right out. You're going to want to grab your new filter, and with the corner, as you can see on the bottom left corner, one of the edges is a bit more squared than the others. You're just going to want to go and pop that in the same way you took it out. So with this, the piping over here on the left side can be kind of annoying, but you can kind of pull it out of the way here and fit it down. If it's giving you a lot of trouble, you can undo this little screw here with a Phillips head, but when you're putting the back of the airbox back on, you're going to want to make sure that the two little tabs that you popped out of the bottom fit back into where they came from. So it's kind of hard to see from above. You can kind of reach all the way around and push it into place, and then slide her down. So with that being said, then you're just going to want to pop this back on and pop this side back on as well, and there you go. Now you can feel on the bottom again, just to make sure everything is in place, if you have long enough arms, and it looks like this is good to go. So pretty plain, simple, easy install, and save you a couple bucks from bringing it to the dealership. So there you have it.